It's your boy Wizard at Will here from MMP Beats, and I had to make this video making my first $2,000 in 1 month selling beats. Now, this has been a journey, and I just wanted to give this gratitude to Kobe and his program that he had put together. And I'm going to let you guys know something right now, man. A lot of you guys who are struggling to make this actually a business, you guys need to give him a contact because he can set you up. Now, the reason why I started seeing some success is because I got one-on-one booking of calls, mentorship, and basically he holds your hand until you start making this income, and it's just amazing. So I just wanted to make this video to send my gratitudes and shout outs to everybody in the program. Keep your heads up, keep pushing them, and everybody who's also assist me in the program. Kobe, I appreciate you, man, taking the time and helping me and getting this business off the ground, man. I really appreciate it. To dive in real quick, my first month after applying a lot of the techniques that he was providing through the one-on-one mentorship, I made my first $900. And then things went down a little bit, and then they went back up, and then I made my first $1,000. This month has been crazy, off the crazy meters, man. I made a little bit over $2,000 this month already, and it's just been amazing. Beyond shocked. I've been doing this for almost 2 years, and I've been deep diving on how to get this business off the ground. I've invested in everything that was out there, from templates to email templates. I'm not saying nobody's names, to these companies, to that companies, to this, and that. There's nothing out there that's going to be putting you in a position that's going to excel your beats to be able to make money and see it as a real income, like a real business. You know what I'm saying? Not a couple sales here, stragglers, and then you're dead for about half of a year or so, and you're wondering what happened. This system that Cole put together for all of us is phenomenal, and I just wanted to send my gratitudes, man. This video is way overdue. I have been busy. I have booked appointments, and today, actually right now, I'm getting ready for my 3 o'clock, so I wanted to sneak this in and see if I can just right under the radar, because it's like I'm beyond shocked on what's happening right now. I'm just beyond shocked on what's happening. We've been taught a lot of old things, man, and seeing this coming this way, and it's only just getting started. It's just phenomenal, and I can just keep going on and on and on about it. But one of my things that I loved about it is that we have a community. We can ask questions. We can build together. We meet other great like-minded individuals who have already establishing success and are still there to, be motivation, inspiration, and also share some of their knowledge and tips as well, because there's a lot of great individuals in the community that also are very, very, very helpful to getting your system going and all set up and getting things right so you can start making a steady income off your music and doing it as a business, not just like, you know what I'm saying? It's hard to make this video without editing or stuff like that, but I want to keep it raw and simple, man, and just, I want to send my gratitude to Cole, man, and providing this. A lot of you guys who don't know him, get connected with him, and you're going to see a whole world change, because you can book appointments. I mean, it's crazy. There's no one in this field right now that is going to give you this education and this time in the system that's going to help you excel what you are already doing right now and make this as a business, not just a hobby. And when it becomes a business, you can start making full-time income, and that's when things really start, changing. And I've seen it. I've started making a couple little income here and there, and then all of a sudden it was just like boom, boom. And this month is just started. Literally just started. I'm over 2,000 already in this month. I'm pushing for that 5K. I don't care. I'm pushing. But I got to get going. I got 2 appointments today, and then tomorrow I'm booked throughout the whole entire day. So I feel good about that, and it's a blessing, because I get to do what I love, I get to really, really do what I love and what I have passion for full time. And thank you, Kobe, for helping me make this happen. Peace.